Come on, McQueen! Show the whole forest your speed! You're so fast, McQueen! Nothing can catch us now! No! McQueen! Look out! Get out of the way!
This track isn't for weak toys. See you at the championship, kid!
McQueen, I'm so sorry. I failed to protect you. Please, don't be broken. I need you, McQueen.
Hey, son. Why is my little warrior crying like this?
It was Sher Khan. He crushed McQueen on purpose and just drove away.
Don't worry. I promise I will fix McQueen and make him a legend, stronger than ever before.
Whoa! I never knew you had such an amazing workshop, Dad.
With this future technology, we will bring McQueen's soul back, piece by piece.
Analyzing damage. Starting the battle chassis redesign protocol. Assembling reinforced Titan shell. Lightning speed system is ready.
System activated. Lightning McQueen is ready to return to the track.
Incredible. McQueen, you're back and better than ever.
Welcome to the Jungle Championship. Who will be the King of Speed today?
Let's take back our glory, McQueen. Let's do this.
Oh, so that scrap metal was glued back together? Hope you're ready to lose again. The game is on, Sher Khan. Don't run out of breath. Feel the power of lightning. Go! I'm right behind you. You can't escape. This drift is perfect. The handling feels amazing. Move aside. Don't even think about passing me, you little brat. Unbelievable. The two rivals are neck and neck on the waterfall bridge.
I can do this. I will definitely do this. Stay focused.
That's it! This is the real Lightning McQueen speed. You dare humiliate me? Let's make this game a bit more fun. Watch out! He's playing dirty again! Spikes ahead!
Look! Those spike balls are everywhere! Careful, McQueen!
Hold on, kid. We'll get through this garbage dump quickly. A spectacular jump! What do you think of that, you old tiger? Caught you! Taste defeat!
Final lap! One more round! We can do this!
Ish! Full throttle! He's being left in the dust!
We did it! McQueen! We won! Thank you, McQueen. Thank you, Dad. We reclaimed our glory together.
If I don't win, nobody wins. Destroy everything. This ultimate power is mine. Tremble before me.
McQueen, are you ready for this final challenge?
I'm always with you. Warrior transformation, initiate. You have no chance, you little robot cat.
Let's see who's the one that hits the ground first. Bring it on! This punch is for everything you've done. Is that all?
Taste my true power.
It's over!
It only ends when I say it's over. Get up! Time for the ultimate attack. Fire!
Justice will always prevail.
You've lost, Sher Khan.
You did it, McQueen. You're my true hero.
I'm sorry. My jealousy turned me into a terrible person.
Go, McQueen! You're so fast, McQueen! No, McQueen! No!
See you on the racetrack, kid.
I'm sorry, McQueen. Please don't be broken.
What happened, son?
What? He destroyed McQueen.
I'll make him stronger.
Welcome to my lab.
We rebuild him.
Scanning complete. Almost done.
Power online. McQueen, you're back.
The championship begins!
Let's do this together.
Ready to lose? Here we go! Let's race! Awesome! Careful!
I can do it.
That's it! Let's spice this up. Marbles ahead. Hold on! Yes! Gotcha! One more lap! He's falling back! We did it!
Thank you, everyone.
If I can't win, nobody will. This power is mine.
Are you ready?
I'm not done yet.
You have no chance.
Bring it on.
Stay strong. Stay down. This is my victory.
It ends now. Take this. This race is over.
You did it, McQueen!
We did it.
We did it!
I'm sorry. I was wrong.
Best cake in town. No money. Bye, Dad. I'm off.
Go get him, son. I am the champion.
I must try my best. I have to win this.
Whoa! What was that?
Take this.
So, crying. Loudly,
Take this.
You can't win, little kitty. Yeah. No. No.
Where is he going?
I'm so sorry. No birthday cake today.
Hi, friend.
Slow and steady.
I've got it. Wow. Hello. 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 Open up. Let's decorate.
These are for you.
Happy birthday. Here, take it.
Perfect. I really need to pee.
I just want to find Tommy. I'm so tired.
Emergency!
Engine stable. Lift off.
Oh, trust me, it will help you. Let's take him home.
Goodbye, big guy.